Hello, I wanted to share some resources on preparing our students for the state testing. One of those places is the Smarter Balance Tools for Teachers, and that's smartertoolsforteachers.org. And there are a few things that I want to point out that will be really helpful and easy to use. So, one of them is the sample item site. So you'll just click on this link and it's going to take you to the sample item bank. So you'll click browse test items. So I'll just choose third grade, choose English language arts, and then you'll choose a standard. Notice that just things start just automatically populating. So if you just want to browse different items, then they're all populated there under that topic. You can filter, obviously, if you want to look at the different areas, you can filter them. So let's just go ahead and I will show you a few things. And you notice the item types. So here we have multi-select versus multiple choice. So the important thing here, you click on the item and it just pops up. So these are boxes to check, and notice it asks them to pick two choices. Just point out to your students that when there is a square box there, that they will need to pick more than one. When it's a circle, they will only have to choose one. So the nice thing about these is that the tools that are available in the testing site are also here. Thing about this that is great, I mean, this is great to display for your kids, but you want them to actually have the practice of doing those functions. So you can click it, you can copy it to your clipboard, and then you could share it to Seesaw, you could share it to Google Classroom, share it with your kiddos in that way. So it is this smarter annotated response tool, and this is a site where you can look at the writing, and it gives you sample writing tasks as well as student responses and their scores with an explanation of how they are. You can choose the prompt, choose the grade, and then here is the student response. You can click here, turn this on, and then you have all of these scores with an explanation of each of them. So it's a great resource. So these are all available here in Tools for Teachers. So it's smartertoolsforteachers.org. And there's so much more to practice, but those two items, sample items, and then the annotated response tool are both great places to start that do not require a login on your part. And you can quickly share those sample items with your students.